What happens if you sneeze with your eyes open? Will your eyeballs pop out? You've probably heard the myth that sneezing with your eyes open is impossible, or even dangerous. But here's the truth. You can sneeze with your eyes open. It's just really hard. Why? Because your body has a built-in reflex to close your eyes during a sneeze, to protect them. And no, your eyes won't pop out. That's a total myth. The pressure from a sneeze goes outward through your nose and mouth, not backward into your skull. So unless you're a sneeze ninja, your eyes will shut tight. But if they don't worry. Your eyeballs are staying right where they are.